Want to use a VPN with NFL Sunday Ticket? Here's the step-by-step guide. The first thing you want to do is download and install a trusted VPN app on your device. For that, open up Play Store on your Android device. If you're using iPhone, open App Store. Now search VPN. You'll find different results over here. Go ahead and select whichever you prefer. Then you want to tap on the install option. Once VPN has been installed, you want to launch it open. Now, you want to connect to a US server. This will trick NFL Sunday Ticket into thinking you're inside the US even when you're traveling abroad. Now you want to launch open the Sunday Ticket app, or you can also open the website, sign into your account, and you should have full access to live games, replays, and highlights without the location error. If you're using a smart TV or hotel TV, you can either install the VPN directly onto the streaming device like Fire Stick or run the VPN on a router. Choose the closest US server to your actual region for the fastest speed and switch servers if you notice buffering. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.